So I thought I'd put a quick video together, and this is for anybody really, whether you're looking to get involved with some one-on-one counselling, or whether you're in a relationship and perhaps you're looking for some kind of guidance or marriage counselling or something like that. So the points are quite generic, but they can be applied to everybody. So the number one tip would be, you have to be ready to commit. And it sounds quite obvious, but the amount of people who show up to therapy perhaps half interested, or they're doing it to appease somebody else, perhaps they're doing it to appease a friend or a family member or a girlfriend or a husband, something like that. But you can always tell when they're perhaps not completely invested in what you're trying to communicate. So naturally, they don't get the results that they want. Similar to people who are in a relationship, both partners clearly need to be committed to change. If one of them is and one of them isn't, we all know typically how that ends. So that would be the first tip. My second tip would be, we have to be prepared to experience some level of discomfort. So one thing I explain to my clients is, we don't want them to experience any suffering, but we have to be prepared to experience a bit of discomfort. The way I bring a bit of a silly analogy into things is, it's like a new pair of shoes. So you get a new pair of shoes, you anticipate that it's going to feel a little bit uncomfortable, but you know that it's the right thing to do. Soon enough, the shoes will feel good. So discomfort is a good thing in this setting, because it means we're challenging life-denying beliefs or thought processes or behaviours. So it's a really positive thing. Being open to that is a really good thing to have. And also the time scale is a really important point, which probably should be discussed before any kind of therapy's taken place between yourself and the therapist. This just helps give you a little bit of an understanding of how long we feel is necessary to overcome whatever it is we're trying to overcome. And it prevents you from having any unrealistic expectations, and it helps reduce pressure as well. So you're not expected to go away and change things in your life and have everything the way you want it to in the space of a week or two. It is a process, and with it being a process, it will take some time.